Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff from Bygone here once again with our absolutely stunning 79 Camaro Z28 Survivor. The car has under 12,000 original miles. Since we're doing this series of videos with us starting the car and things like that, this is all part of that same morning. You can see the droplets of rain still on the hood. But we thought we'd take a moment and just let you listen to the engine. Nice and quiet. Getting a little bit of belt noise here over off the compressor. As I zoom in, you can hear that. But no engine noise at startup. Motor's nice and quiet. She doesn't smoke. This car is nice. As I mentioned earlier, I always thought these cars had a great rumble right from the factory. As we mentioned earlier, this car has been started semi-regularly over the years. Was a one-owner car. So it isn't plagued by so many of those issues that other low mileage Survivors have, where they look great but they don't run well. Thank you so much, friends. Isn't that awesome? Those doors. If you don't want to see this ugly mug, jeepers. If you have any questions about this car or any other vehicles that we have available, don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to answer any questions we can. My name's Jeff from Bygone here in Mazomanie, Wisconsin, just northwest of Madison. Happy to help any way we can. Take care.